Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your AirPods and case have enough charge and your device has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled. Once done, open the case next to your iPhone, iPad, Mac, or Apple TV. You'll see a pairing animation or prompt. Tap Connect and follow any quick setup screens to enable iCloud syncing and automatic switching. You're pairing for the first time so the device saves settings. Make sure you accept permissions for Siri and Find My if prompted. Once paired, choose your AirPods as the audio output from Control Center on iOS or the sound menu on Mac. On Apple TV, pick them in the audio output list. Then configure features. Enable spatial audio and head tracking for compatible models, set noise control to active/transparency, and assign double tap or press actions in settings. Make sure the microphone is set to automatic or a specific bud if you prefer. These steps tailor sound and controls, so the AirPods behave as you expect. Finally, test music playback, a video, and make a quick call to verify audio quality and microphone behavior. Make sure your AirPods firmware is current by checking the device's Bluetooth or About screen, and keep the case charged so updates install. If something goes wrong, dropouts, no pairing, or one bud silent, reset the AirPods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes, then repair. That reset fixes most issues fast. Repeat tests after reconnecting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.